Hello, everyone. Welcome to Literacy Lab. I'm Charles Matheson, your online reading tutor. Today, we're going to learn about descriptive writing. Descriptive writing is when you write about something you see. When we write about something we see, we talk about the color, like purple wings or blue skies. The texture. Texture is how something feels, like rough, like tree bark, or soft, like cotton balls. The size. The size could be tiny or huge. The shape, which could be a star, a triangle, or a pentagon. A pentagon is a five-sided figure. And things that stand out. So that you can really understand what we're doing, watch the whole video first. Afterwards, ask your teacher or parent to download what you're seeing on the screen to your tablet or to print it out so you can do it too. If you don't have a tablet or they didn't print it out, just follow along. Let's begin. Today's word is colorful. A parrot is colorful. I see a parrot with red, orange, yellow, and blue feathers. Gummy bears are colorful. I see gummy bears that are yellow, lime green, red, and orange. Flowers are colorful. I see tulips that are yellow, white, pink, red, and more colors. Let's read the sample paragraph. Gummy bears are colorful. They look like tiny bears. They are a chewy candy. I like to eat gummy bears any time of day. There is a paragraph on gummy bears already, so I will choose parrots to write about. Directions. Answer each question in a complete sentence. A sentence is a group of words on a thought. What is something colorful? A parrot is colorful. I see a parrot with red, orange, yellow, and blue feathers. So my sentence will be, a parrot has colorful feathers. Question 2. Describe what this looks like. Let's see. The feathers, they're really long and they're really thin. So my sentence will be, the feathers look long and thin. Question 3. What do you know about it? Well, I know that parrots can talk and that they're birds. So my sentence will be, parrots are birds that can talk. Question 4. What is your experience with it? Well, my friend has a parrot and I saw her parrot. So my sentence will be, I saw my friend's parrot. All done. I will now put my sentences into a paragraph. A paragraph is a group of sentences written one after the other that expresses thoughts. All done. I'll read my paragraph. A parrot has colorful feathers. The feathers look long and thin. I saw my friend's parrot. Now let's do some reading practice. Let's read the story. Umbrellas. An umbrella keeps you dry when it rains. It can give you shade in summer. It prevents objects from blowing in your face. Umbrellas provide protection. In this story, umbrellas provide protection is the main idea. A detail is something specific from a story. An umbrella keeps you dry when it rains is a detail. It tells us something specific that umbrellas do. For the detail portion of these drills, we're going to look for the detail that does not belong. What is not true about the umbrellas? They keep you dry. They protect you from wind. They give you shade. They have legs. Well, I remember that they can keep you dry. So that's true. They protect you from wind. Yes. They give you shade. Yes. But they don't have legs. So they have legs is the detail that does not belong. Being able to spot the detail that does not belong will help you answer multiple choice questions faster. Multiple choice questions are questions with more than one answer. Let's do some drills. Determine the main idea, then underline the detail which does not belong. Number 31. Electric cars are friendly to the environment. They produce no pollution. They do not burn fossil fuels like gasoline. Some electric cars can be recycled into new cars. Bikes are a clean way to travel. So, this paragraph is about electric cars. The main idea is electric cars are friendly to the environment. And the details about that are they produce no pollution, they do not burn fossil fuels like gasoline, and that they can be recycled. Bikes are a clean way to travel. That's true, but it's not an electric car. So the detail that does not belong is bikes are a clean way to travel. Number 32. Fruits have vitamins. They are low in calories. They provide your body with the nutrients it needs to work well. Fruits have many benefits. I use peanuts on my salad. So, this paragraph is about fruits. And the main idea is fruits have many benefits. The details of those benefits are fruits have vitamins, they're low in calories, they provide your body with nutrients. Peanuts is not a fruit. So I use peanuts in my I use peanuts on my salad is the detail that does not belong. Number 33. People should take the stairs instead of using an elevator. There are benefits to taking the stairs. You'll get exercise for your legs. You'll save electricity by not riding the elevator. You can lose weight. I take the bus to work sometimes if I feel lazy. So, are you ready to walk up some stairs now? This paragraph is about the benefits of taking the stairs. I see A detail of that is you'll get exercise for your legs, you'll save electricity, you'll lose weight. However, I take the bus to work sometimes if I feel lazy is not related to taking the stairs. I take the bus to work sometimes if I feel lazy is the detail that does not belong. Number 34. If you want to pass your class, you need to study the right way. First, make sure your notes are organized. Second, make sure you have a quiet place to study. Finally, make sure you set aside the time to do it. You should ride a bike to get energy every day. So, this paragraph is about studying. And the main idea is you need to study the right way. The details of studying the right way are your notes are organized, you have a quiet place to study, set aside time to do it. Riding your bike has nothing to do with studying. They kind of try to trick you by saying it'll give you energy, but it's not related. So you should ride your bike to get energy every day is the detail that does not belong. Number 35. Do you go to a dentist? Well, if you do, the dentist probably reminds you to floss. You should floss every day. When you floss, you get out the small pieces of food that can get stuck between your teeth. When food gets stuck between your teeth for several days, it can make your breath smell bad. When you floss regularly, you will have better smelling breath. You should buy nice smelling soap. The main idea of this paragraph is you should floss every day. The details that support that is small pieces of food can get stuck between your teeth and can make your breath smell bad. And you will have better smelling breath. You should buy nice smelling soap has nothing to do with flossing. So you should buy nice smelling soap to smell good is the detail that does not belong. It's similar because you have smelling and smelling here, but it's not the same. The writer of this did that to trick you. Number 36. Food tastes better when it has a good flavor. You can use minerals like salt. You can use spices like paprika and black pepper on your vegetables. You can use herbs like thyme and parsley in your favorite sauces. You can use seasonings like Thai green curry and adobo. Drinking water every day is important. You should always add seasonings or herbs to your food to make it taste better. So, this paragraph is about food tasting better when it has flavor. And the examples of how food can taste better is by using a mineral like salt or a spice like paprika and black pepper, using herbs like thyme and parsley, or seasonings like Thai green curry and adobo. Drinking water every day is important, is not related to the flavor of food. So, drinking water every day is important, is the detail that does not belong. And number 37. Did you know that food often tastes better the day after you make it? Why? When you cook food and then refrigerate it, the flavors get to soak in the food. This makes the food taste better. Try it with some potato salad. You'll see that the potato salad will be creamier the next day. Many foods are made with cabbage. So, this paragraph is about food tasting better the day after. The main idea is the first sentence. Did you know that food often tastes better the day after you make it? A detail to support that is when you cook food and then refrigerate it, the flavors get to soak in the food. Another one is this makes the food taste better. Many foods are made with cabbage has nothing to do with food tasting better the next day. So many foods are made with cabbage is the detail that does not belong. That's our lesson for today. Good job.